Virgo. This is for Virgo, Ascendant, and Moon sign. I'm Zach. Welcome to the channel. Now, this is your Vedic sidereal placement, not your tropical placement, so make sure that you're using Vedic sidereal. Alright, Virgo. Let's get into this with the Kipper. Alright. Let's see. Community and sudden wealth. Alright. Let's see, why is community here? Lovers. Alright. I'm gonna wait before I say anything on that. Why is sudden wealth here? Message of concern. Okay. Let's see, with community and lovers, what do we have here? Leg, stepping into a new experience. And for sudden wealth sudden wealth and message of concern. Staff, you will be taken care of in difficult times. Okay. Alright. So, let's start with the sudden wealth message. Alright. So I see that there's some kind of difficulty concerning your finances, but you'll be fine through that difficulty. Now for community and lovers with the stepping into a new experience, this could be I'm getting that it could be some kind of like polyamorous situation possibly, or just more people involved in this relationship. This could be something like being introduced to your future in-laws, or your boyfriend or girlfriend's parents. It could be something as simple as that. But definitely a new experience, like something that you're not used to, whatever that may be. So hopefully tarot will give some clarity on that, Virgo. So let's get into your tarot message. Alright. Now, while I'm shuffling, I like to go into your transits, specifically your Sun and Mars, as they are the fast-moving planets that have a significant impact. Or, not that the other planets don't have a significant impact, but they're not as noticeable. So, let's see, Sun is currently in Sagittarius. Now, Sagittarius is your 4th house of home. So, it's also mother, it's comfort, happiness, and vehicles. So that's definitely where your focus is. Now Mars is currently in Taurus. Now Taurus is your 9th house. 9th house is travel, it's higher education, it's religion, it's law, it's your father. It's also your actually, this pretty much covers it. Teachers as well, I was going to say. Alright. But with that, I definitely see there could be like some sudden changes in your home, or with a vehicle, or with your mother, with your father and your mother, actually. As a matter of fact, there could be conflict with your father with Mars being there. Alright. Now, this is past, present, and immediate future, and the overall energy, Virgo. So, overall energy, we have the Queen of Swords. So, I see you a little guarded, but determined and being practical. Now, I definitely see that your guard's up, though, with this. Because in the past, we have the 7 of Pentacles, the 7 of Swords, and the 5 of Swords. Okay. So, working on leaving a situation where there could have possibly been mind games with the Five of Swords there. Or you left a situation that you thought wasn't growing, but that was deceptive. Like it was actually growing and you just didn't give it the time to grow. Hmm. Let's see. Alright. In the present, we have the Hangman, the Ace of Wands, and the Justice. So, waiting to take action on something. To bring balance. To make something right. Alright. In the immediate future, we have the Temperance, the Tower, and the King of Pentacles. So once again, a pause, but then something suddenly happens that's bringing in some kind of stability in the material world, possibly financially, through your work. Um, hmm. All right, let's start clarifying this. This isn't as clear-cut overall energy, but once we get into clarifiers, it should be more clear. Hopefully. That's the point, right? Alright. Let's see, why is the Queen of Swords here? Oh. That card's falling out already. Okay. Let's see, Virgo. Alright. Why is the Queen of Swords here? Seven of Wands, the Emperor, and the Fool. Alright. So, I see you being very guarded, but also resistant and taking action on your stability. Now, I see you doing it overall, but definitely resistant to it. Alright. Let's see, why is the Seven of Pentacles there in the past? Okay. We have the Page of Wands, the King of Pentacles, and the Two of Pentacles. So, you were excited for something, probably in regards to your work, and you were weighing up whether or not it was growing, whether or not that path was right for you. Okay. But I see you leaving that behind. Let's see, why's the Seven of Swords here, Virgo? Okay. We have the Four of Pentacles, the King of Swords, and the Ace of Wands. So, very stubborn and determined to leave the situation. Maybe you left a job, for instance. But yeah, there's something deceptive about it here with the Five of Swords here. Let's see what that is. Why is the Five of Swords here? Okay. We have the High Priestess, the Queen of Pentacles, and the Nine of Wands. Alright, so your intuition was trying to tell you that this was growing. But you kind of blocked that out with the Nine of Wands there. And that's what was deceptive about this. It was growing for you. But you didn't believe that. You didn't trust it. It's like, you know, your intuition, your gut was trying to tell you. Alright. Let's see, why is the Hangman here in the present? Okay. Let's see. we have the Devil, the King of Wands, and the Magician. So, there's a pause here, but you're manifesting wanting to take action. And the Devil's there. So this tells me that this is a pattern of you wanting to take action but not doing anything. You know, letting yourself stagnate. That's definitely a pattern that you need to work on, Virgo. Alright. Now after that, I see the Ace of Wands here. So hopefully you're taking the action that you want to take. Let's see, why's the Ace of Wands here? So you have the Page of Pentacles, the Ten of Wands, and the Nine of Swords. Alright. So definitely taking action, learning what kind of action you want to take with the Page of Pentacles there. But you're finding it difficult and you're stressing about it. Alright. But the Justice is here after that, so hopefully that means that you're finding more balance. So why is the Justice here? Okay. We have the Three of Swords, the Ten of Pentacles, and the Two of Cups. Alright. So, I see pain here, tied to a commitment. With the Two of Cups, that could be a relationship. It could also be a business partnership, though, with how much this reading has been, screaming financial situation, but definitely some pain tied up to this. But I see you finding balance in that, so possibly making a situation right in either a relationship, either romantic or business. But yeah. Okay. So let's see, why is the Temperance here? Why is the Temperance here? Okay. So now we see why that Hangman was there. We have the Hangman again, the Five of Pentacles, and the Four of Wands over the Temperance. So this stagnation is because somebody is fearing the loss of a relationship, of a commitment. Now, I'm not sure if it's because you're fearing the loss or because it was already lost. I think it's more so a fear. Let's see, why's the Tower here? Okay. Three of Cups, the Knight of Swords, and the Queen of Cups. So, I think this relationship actually was lost in the past. But, with the Tower here, clarified by the Three of Cups, Knight of Swords, and the Queen of Cups, that tells me that suddenly somebody's trying to bring this back together. There's communication there with the Knight of Swords about love. Let's see, why is this King of Pentacles here? As King of Pentacles is tied to the situation that was left in the past. So, let's see, why is the King of Pentacles here? Cards are wanting to fly out. Okay, we have the Six of Wands, the Five of Wands, and Three of Pentacles. Alright. So, some kind of victory tied to a conflict. Victory over a conflict. Now, the Three of Pentacles there, this could be a friendship Could be a work situation. If this is a relationship, I see the conflict coming to an end, but this being more of a friendship in the end than a relationship. Alright, let's see. Let's get your final cards, Virgo. Alright. Let's see here. Alright. We have the Eight of Pentacles, the Three of Swords, and the Five of Cups. So, right now it seems like things are difficult. There's a lot of pain and a lot of sorrow tied to the past. But I see you working on that with the Eight of Pentacles. Yeah. So hopefully things get better for you, Virgo. But this has been your reading, and if you'd like to book either a Vedic astrology or a tarot reading with me, you can do so at my website in the description box below. And I'll catch you in the next one, Virgo.